Yo, here's the September 1st trade recap. So yeah, we have London low right here. We got a 30-minute close below it. We then tap back into it and got a rejection. So I put my stop above the low and targeted 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. And then right here, price started reversing, so I made my stop to break even, because we obviously, if we go around this area, we're not gonna go and take profit before 4 p.m. So yeah, stop got moved to break even. I got stopped out at break even, so I didn't lose any or I didn't make any money on it today. So yeah, pretty good trade today.